So the next question reads as, two machines A and B working independently can take 8 hours and 10 hours respectively to do a task. A third machine C and machine A working together can do the same task in 5 hours. Determine the time it will take machine B and machine C working together to do the same task. So being told machine A can do a task in 8 hours. Machine B can do the same task in 10 hours. So we want machine C to get to know how long can it do the task, right? So here we go. We're being told machine A 8 hours, B 10 hours. So what we know is in 1 hour, machine A does an eighth of the work. In 1 hour, machine B does a tenth of the work, right? Now we're being told that a third machine C and machine A working together can do the same work in 5 hours, right? So if we take machine A, okay, machine A, it's going to do what work in 5 hours? It's going to do 5 over 8, right? If it does 5 over 8, it means it leaves the rest of the work for machine C. So we take 1 or a whole minus the 5 over 8, which leaves us with 3 over 8. Okay? So we have machine A usually takes 8 hours to complete that mission. If it's in 1 hour, it's going to do an eighth of the job. So if the job was done for 5 hours, it means the part that was done by machine A was 5 over 8, meaning the remainder was 3 over 8, okay? So 3 over 8 will be done by machine C, okay? So if 3 over 8 of the work is done in 5 hours by machine C, then it does what fraction of work in 1 hour, right? So that's the question. It's going to be 3 over 8 times 1 over 5. That gives us 3 over 40. So for every 1 hour, machine C usually does 3 over 40 of the work, okay? Now this time we've been told now, let's take machine B, which does 1 over 10 of the work in an hour, and then machine C, which does 3 over 40 of the work in an hour, and then let's see how long it will take them to do the work, right? So we're going to say in 1 hour, we're going to say in 1 hour, we have 1 over 10 plus 3 over 40, okay? Let's do this. That's 40 is going to be 4 plus this is going to be 3. So it does 7 over 40 of the work. So if in 1 hour 7 over 40 of the job is done, then what about 40 over 40 of the job? It's going to be the reciprocal. It's going to give us 40 over 7 hours. Okay, so that's how we're going to do that one. While we are at it, let's just continue with the surds, question. So it says simplify 3 plus root 5 all over 7 minus 3 root 5, leaving the answer in the form a plus b root c, where a, b, and c are integers, right? So how it's done, we all know. Probably most of us know. 3 root 5 all over 7 minus 3 root 5. We multiply with the conjugate. I believe it's called the conjugate. It's been long since I was in school. It's 7 plus 3 root 5. And then we multiply with it also 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay, so we have this. So we simplify. We have 7 by 7. That's going to give us 49. Then we have 7 by 3 root 5. That's going to give us 21 root 5. So that's going to be plus 21 root 5. Okay. Then we have minus 3 root 5 multiplied by 7 is going to be minus 21 root 5. Minus 21 root 5. So always when you find the conjugate, something is going to cancel out. Then we have minus 3 root 5 multiplied by plus 3 root 5 is going to be minus 9 because of this times 5. Okay, minus 9 times 5 is going to be minus 45. Minus 45. Right? So this and this will cancel. We're going to be left with 49 minus 45. That's going to be 4. Now let's go to the upper part, which is called the numerator. So we have these two. So we're going to take 3 multiplied by 7. That's going to give us 21. Then 3 multiplied by 3 root 5. That's going to give us 9 root 5 plus 9 root 5. Then you're going to take root 5 multiplied by 7. That's going to give us 7 root 5 plus 7 root 5. Okay, then we are going to take root 5 multiplied by plus 3 root 5. That's going to give us 15, I believe, right? It's going to be 3 multiplied by root 5 by root 5. That's going to be 5. So it's going to be 15 plus 15. Okay, so what we have here is now 21 plus 15. That's going to be 36. 36 plus this by this is going to be 16. Root 5 divided by 4. That ends up giving us 9 plus 4 root 5. And that's our answer. Okay.